Okay, so this week we're looking at the idea of bias in relation to documentary films. Okay, so a bias is a tendency to prefer one thing, one person or one thing over another. So it means essentially to influence others in favour of a particular choice. Bias is something that's usually created without us even knowing it. So the environment that we live in, our friends and our family, can really influence what our opinions are and in turn the biases that we have. So, for example, parents might continually tell their children to stay away from dogs because they're mean and they bite. And then, in turn, these children will, in this family, will begin to have a bias towards dogs, thinking that they're always mean and aggressive. So the children in this family have thought this without actually meeting a dog, and this is a bias that they obtained without even really knowing that they have. So if we extend this idea of bias to filmmaking, when only one idea or one point of view is expressed in a film, it has a tendency to be showing bias in relation to that issue or topic that it's talking about. So I want you to keep that in mind when you're watching the trailers for the two documentaries this week. Um, what's their point of view, and is that in turn having, trying to create bias in the minds of the audience.